Hey guys, welcome to the F100 Dude YouTube channel. My name is Adam Novosel, and this is my truck. This is a 1968 Ford F100 that I bought about 4 or 5 years ago. It was my first vehicle, and it's been a project ever since. So, let's get into it. So the first thing I did to this truck was I Crown Vic swapped it. This is suspension out of an 03 Grand Marquis. So I've got new coilovers, new A-arms, whole bunch of stuff there. POR 15 to frame, painted the firewall. I'm working on seat brackets, and the interior is a little bit of a mess right now. So we're out here in the shop today. My brother Jacob from Jacob Novosel Studios is over here tearing apart his engine. Found a whole bunch of junk pistons and stuff, and then I'm working on the truck. Today I am painting the rear of the frame. Got it all prepped, painting it with the POR 15 undercoating. So we're going to get into that pretty quick. So right now I'm going to start putting some POR 15 undercoating on the back of the frame. I already did the underneath of the cab and the front of the frame, and I really like how the stuff works. It came out pretty good. So I'm going to go through the process. I started out by getting some of this cleaner degreaser stuff, and it seemed to work pretty good. Got some dirt off, and then metal prep, which it's kind of weird. You have to put it on and then like rinse it off after a while. And because it's cold outside and the pipes might freeze, I didn't really have access to a garden hose. So I just kind of sprayed it down with some water from a spray can and did the best I could. But I think it'll be okay. And then I got these little mini cans of POR 15 or POR 15, however you say it. And it's also good when you're doing this to get some cheap brushes from the hardware store, and something that's disposable, because this stuff is so thick that it will never ever clean out of the paintbrush. So anyways, let's get started. Also, a pro tip, when you are undercoating like this, it's always a good idea to put some plastic down on the ground or something so that you don't drip a bunch of paint on the cement floor, because it'll never come off. Alright, and just like that, I got the first coat on. It's all painted. Came out pretty good. So I'm just going to let this tack up a little bit, just till it's just slightly dry, but still a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to put a second coat on it tonight, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I got the back of the frame painted, so that's a good step for tonight. Made some good progress on it, so hopefully more to come soon. If you like this video, let me know in the comments, and hopefully I'll be able to do some more filming here pretty soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, and keep on trucking.